Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to your Max online class. In the last class, we discussed about the additions word problems. Now, today in your Max class, I am going to explain about the estimating sum. Estimating sum. What is estimating? One day, Mr. Ramu went to the shop to buy the things. Then he asked to the shopkeeper, what is the cost of a teddy bear and car? Then the shopkeeper replied that the cost of a teddy bear is 200 rupees and the cost of a car is 250 rupees. So he decided to buy both and wants to pay using his amount in his pocket. He wishes to estimate the total price that he has to pay so that he can check the amount he is having or he don't have the money. He is having 500 rupees in his pocket. So he is counting in his mind, teddy bear is 200 rupees and the car cost is 250 rupees. Total it is 450 rupees. Many times we don't need the exact sum, but just around about idea of what the sum could be. This is called finding an estimate. We round the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands or 10,000s depending upon the accuracy we want. We now add these rounded figures to get an estimate. Now let us do one example to find the estimating sum. Okay children, now see here in exercise 2.4 we have first sum. Estimate the sum by rounding to the nearest tens. 21,437 plus 36,558. Now we have to round it to the numbers nearest to the tens. Nearest to the tens means we have to check till the tens place. Here ones tens. These two numbers you have to check. 37. 37 is nearest to the 30 or 40. 37. 37 is nearest to the 30 or 40. Here below it is 35. In between 35. Here less than 35 it is nearest to the 30 and above 35 it is nearest to the 40. If suppose 31, 32, 33, 34 these are four numbers is nearest to the 30. It is nearest to the 10, 30 and about 36, 37, 38 and 39. These are nearest to the 40. Above 35 is there and 35 also. 35 also nearest to the 40. Below 35 it is nearest to the 30. Now you can see here 21,437. Now 37 is nearest to the 30 or 40? Yes, it is nearest to the 40. 37 means it is nearest to the 40. Now here you have to write 21,440. Here 37 it is nearest to the 40 and here 58 is nearest to the 58 is nearest to the 50 or 60. Middle it is 55. 58 is nearest to the 50 or 60 and the middle it is 55. So it is nearest to the above 55. That means it is nearest to the 60. So 36,558 it is nearest to the 60. 36,560. Only till the tens place we have to change the numbers. Remaining all the numbers are same. Now can do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0 and 4 plus 6 it is 10. 1 carry to the next place and write 0 here. Now 5 plus 4 it is 9. 9 plus 1 another time it is 0. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8 and 2 plus 3 5. 58,000. It is the estimated sum. If you can do the exact addition, that it should be another one, but it is nearest to the 58,000. So when you are rounds to the tens, just you have to check ones place and tens place. Okay children, did you understand everybody? This is the estimated sum. Like this, when the estimation sums, if it is asking, you have to do like this. This is the estimated sum, not exact sum. It is the estimated addition. Like this we have to do the additions nearest to the tens. Okay children, did you understand everybody? In exercise 2.4, first sum already I explained to you. Now you can do the second sum, same exact nearest tens. A company sold 25,875 cars in the first year and 22,571 cars in the second year. Now estimate the number of cars sold by the company in the 2 years by rounding to the nearest tens. Here we have to do the addition, number of cars sold in 2 years, first year and second year. You have to write that matter, then can do the addition. Now here 25,875. You have to check these two numbers. 75 is nearest to the 70 or 80. It is nearest to the 80. Instead of 75, you have to write 80. And here 71 is nearest to the 70 or 80. Yes, it is nearest to the 70. These two numbers you have to write and do the addition. Like this you have to do the estimated sums. Okay children, did you understand everybody? Okay children, now let us do another sum. It is nearest to the hundreds. Estimate the sum by rounding to the nearest hundreds. 25,876 plus 14,798. Now rounding off to the hundreds. Now here can see 25,876 rounds to. Before that we did the sum with the nearest tens. Now it is nearest to the hundreds. Now let us check to the hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. 876. 876 is nearest to the 800 or 900. Before that we check the tens, that means 80 or 90. Now it is hundreds, that means 800 or 900. We have to check in the middle number 850. Below 850 it is nearest to the 800. Above 850 or 850 also it is nearest to the 100. Now 876 it is above 850. So it is nearest to the 900. So 25,900. Now can you tell me the next number? 798. It is nearest to the 800 or 700. Yes, it is 798. It is nearest to the 800. Only 2 digits it is less. So 14,798 it is nearest to the 800. Now can do the addition. 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. This is the estimation sum. It is nearest to the hundreds. This is the estimated sum. It is not a actual sum. It is the estimated sum. Okay children, did you understand everybody? Like this only in exercise 2.4 we have another sum is there. Fourth sum. A cricketer has made 20,557 runs in the test matches and 36,997 runs in one-day matches. Nearly how many hundreds of runs has he made in all? It is also nearest to the hundreds. 557. It is nearest to the 600. And here 997. It is nearest to the 1000. That means here also you have to change. That is 37,000. You have to write neatly and can do the addition properly in your CW book. Okay children, thank you. Let us meet in the next class.